Hello everybody, today's video is the latest of my boats, and this is a upgrade video from the one I did about a year ago, which is the foldable pontoon fishing boat. And I do listen to suggestions and comments, and the main one was, where's your storage at? Well, this thing is all storage. Let me walk by the camera here. So these are 3 coolers. The first cooler for fishing, this would be a live well, and a bubble box would be best for this. But I just got the towel and stuff in there. The next one that houses the seat here, let's fold that down. So inside here we got 2 batteries. I would love to get lithium ion batteries, but I just can't afford them. And it's got a waterproof charge controller. And like that. So on the back one here, I have a solar panel. And this is a 20-watt solar panel, which goes to the charge controller, which goes to the batteries, blah, blah, blah. All right, open this one up. I got some ice and some drinks in there. I want to give a special shout out to Lazio Farm. Their website will be in the description below. They allowed us to use this beautiful place today to film, so I'm really appreciative of that. And they do a lot of weddings and stuff like that. So, okay. First comes the build, then the water. Let's go. got plenty of room to walk around on, that's good. Reverse? Nope. There's reverse. Yeah, not bad. And easy access to everything. Paddle. Mavic Mini. No, I'm gonna hit you.
Hey Lonnie.
Yes.
Grab me a soda.
You want a soda? Okay, let's try this out. Oh, I noticed my second driver in there. I don't know why that happened. Oh, it's nice and cool. Actually, I could do like ice cream and stuff. Put an outboard motor on there, or a pretty big one.
Just do it. Just laying it right here. You can throw it. I have faith in you. Thank you.
I'm gonna run into you though. Yeah, definitely. Next time I'll put the 55 motor on there. I haven't modified it yet. It'd be kind of hard to use on this one, but give it a little more speed. Nice cruiser though. So yeah, I like the design. I like it's still foldable. Love the, keep going by you there. Love the storage. Like the umbrella, that was always a good suggestion by everybody. It's so easy to get into these. It's really cool, I like it. Maybe put an anchor on it, that'd be nice.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, since we're flying backwards at a breakneck speed. Probably a bigger motor would be cool though. That's a nice cruising motor. But I think if you put too big a motor on it, if you had fish in there, they'd be bounced around.
Yeah, spot for your tackle box.
Anywhere, you could put it there, back here, or on the other side. Alright, well, I have to say overall, I love the design, love the storage, love the umbrella. I did have to use the paddle, got into some weeds there. But yeah, I think it's really cool, love the solar. I think it's a great design. So, if you like this boat and want to see more designs like this, please share, like, subscribe. It does really help. Alright, thanks for watching as always. Take care, and God bless.